2, 1.
Hi, this is Sarah Rice, and I'm going to be doing my webcast for my AQ course that I'm doing with Joe Cisco through the OECTA on creating infographics using the Piktochart site. So to get to Piktochart, just go to the main address bar on your screen or through the Google search. I'm going to go through the address bar, type in Piktochart, and go from there. The reason why I'm going to show you a Piktochart or show you an infographic through Piktochart is because there was a lot of good feedback on my infographic that I did on blended learning for the course. Now once you get to the Piktochart main site, which you saw was one of the first Google search options, you can choose login or sign up. Sign up if you haven't done so before, and it's completely free to sign up. You can do so through your Google or Facebook account if you've already created one, or you can create accounts with your name, address, and the password of your choice. So I've already created an account in order to do my blended learning infographic. And Piktochart takes you right to your dashboard, which if you're newly signing in will be blank. All you would see was add folder, the dashboard title, and everything you see across the top and to the left. So just a basic view of the site. If you want to create a blank project, you would go to create new. There's your login settings. You can, if you have a bunch of saved searches or saved projects, you can search them, icon to get to your dashboard, and projects you can choose from such as infographics, presentations, printables. Take you quickly through those. These are all the free templates that you can choose without leveling up, which is through a paid account. Few options there to just give you a good head start. Presentation templates that are free to use. You can see some there. And same thing with printables that you can use for posters, reports, and flyers. Now what's also great about this site is the Inspire Me page that opens a new tab and shows you Piktochart projects by others using the account, which offers a lot more great inspiration. But what is great about the infographic is that these templates are provided and do a great job of giving you step-by-step on how to format your infographic. So if I go back to my dashboard, you'll see that my blended learning infographic is a lot like the how to create an infographic template that's provided here. So just below my icon is, or my cursor is the how to create infographic, and my blended learning one. So you can see how the format is much the same. I'll take you into it and it'll show you how you can basically edit a template that's provided for you. So you can change the picture, backgrounds that are provided. Everything is clickable here. If you were to open a new infographic or poster on a create your own, this page would be completely blank with all the same options provided across the left here and the same toolbars. The tools that are provided should be very familiar to you if you've used Google Docs or any Microsoft Word programming that you've used in the past. A lot of it should look familiar. The options off to the left, all these graphics are provided by Piktochart and are free and available to use. You've got lots of shapes and icons that are available that you can also edit size, color. The animated icons are if you level up. So the animated icons aren't available for free. But lines, photos that are provided for free from the site, and photo frames, some creative and interesting photo frames. Just bring that back. example, be a couple of friends hanging out on the beach. You just got to change the facial images that are provided there. Now you can change pictures like my blended learning background here by saving or choosing any images that are saved to your desktop. So I can browse images that are provided on my desktop here by clicking Browse Images. And these are all the ones that I've opened already and have used in my infographic. So if I were to scroll down, you'll see a lot of these are much the same. There's the D2L and Ontario Educational Resource Bank icons. A lot of the images I provided on my infographic are from Pixabay, which are available to use as well without much accreditation. You can make your infographic go on for more blocks. As you can see here, mine is 4 blocks long. I can increase the size of a block by just clicking and dragging this portion here, or add a new block by clicking that button here. And I can add text boxes by using the shapes that are available here. Or I can choose these text frames that are provided below in the text options. Now, to open just a plain text box, you've got default font settings for title, subtitle, and body text. That makes it easy to include. A text toolbar shows up across the top of the page where you can change color, font style, font size. What I enjoyed about this is the letter spacing and line height option. That makes it just a bit more visually appealing from a graphic designer type of standpoint, and change it up from there. This was a shape that was just provided through the graphics tool with an overlay text box, importing images. Really, really easy to use, and icons and tools that are comfortable and familiar to you. The color scheme option that's provided on the left is again another option that's available if you want to play or level up. There's also in the tools, you can import maps, videos, and charts. I was playing around with this a little bit, even though I didn't include a chart in my infographic, but it opens up a spreadsheet which can then transfer the information into a whole variety of different types of graphs that it can be added to your presentation, to your infographic, which I didn't have the opportunity to use. I didn't include that type of data, but makes it interesting and more visually appealing as well, depending on the subject matter. You do have to save this every once in a while as you're working on it. It will not do it automatically. You can title your work through this option right here. You can preview what your infographic will look like without the busyness of the page. Exit preview. Downloading it to your computer. You do have to save it as a PNG file or imaging format. Unless you're going to level up, then you can get the PDF option. Sharing it, you get an available link, which for those visiting will have it open on a individual web page that'll look like this. And so on. And that's pretty much Piktochart. Excellent and easy to use. And maneuver around. Again, available through piktochart.com. If you go to publish it, it is available in the bottom of your page. Just want to head back. Yeah, and then when you save it, you're all set and done, and you can either download it, share it, and it's available for everybody to see. Thanks for watching my webcast on infographics through Piktochart.